The weekend's done and Monday comes, all the world is bitching. You're dreading now to figure out what's doing in the kitchen. So set your clock each weekday night, cause we go live at 6 with recipes to warm your heart or just to lick your lips. We gotta please the guinea pig, not your cousin Vinny. On weekday nights we're doing it live, cooking with the skinny guinea. We're doing it live,
Cooking with the skinny guinea.
we're doing it live.
Cooking with the skinny guinea.
Yeah, finish it fast, even in the kitchen.
Okay, everybody, 6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. We're making like one of my favorite meals of all time, right? Yeah, there she is. The easiest of meals, right? Spaghetti and meatballs. Now, we're gonna health it up a little bit, okay? And we're gonna do chicken meatballs because, I don't know, whatever, you know what I mean? Like, when was the last time you made chicken meatballs, you know what I mean?
It's my baby's birthday today.
It's your baby's birthday today, yeah. So that's the second reason why it's exciting, sir. So I'm doing something a little bit different. So I have meatballs that I've already rolled up, and I'm gonna actually bake those, okay? So these are the meatballs I already rolled up, nice. You guys can look at these, okay? And they're small. I made small little mini meatballs. See that? Okay, and these I'm gonna bake, but I'm also going to put some on the frying pan, and I'm gonna fry some of the meatballs up too. So I got a little bit left over there. Hey, you want to say hi to everybody? Hold on, say hi to the guinea pig. We gotta get to cooking, okay? So here's what we got. So I got all my sauce stuff here. So I'm using crushed tomatoes. Okay, I'm gonna make my own sauce. I got crushed tomatoes. I have a bowl of, I got onion powder, and I also have some oregano. Now, I'm not throwing basil because the tomatoes have basil in it. I'm gonna use some salt and pepper, and I got some garlic, okay? I got 2 pounds of macaroni. I might make 2 pounds, I gotta see. And then this stuff here is for the chicken. So I got a little bit of ground chicken left for the chicken meatballs, okay? And I'm gonna put Italian seasoning, okay? I got some grated Parmesan cheese. I got some chopped up parsley, and I got some garlic, and I got an egg, which I'm gonna crack in here now. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw my garlic in now, okay? My parsley, my grated cheese, and my Italian seasoning. Okay, I'll be right back. And these are gonna cook for 20 minutes on 400. With the breadcrumbs now, I'm just gonna sort of put a little bit, sprinkle a little bit, feel it out, see how it's going. Gonna season this with salt and pepper. All right, so I got my sauce here in the back.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Morgan. I'm gonna put my garlic in. So I'm just gonna cook this garlic up for like 30 seconds just to get it fragrant. All right, so now I'm putting in my crushed tomatoes. Okay, and then the onion powder and the oregano. Okay, I'm gonna season this with salt and pepper. Some pepper, maybe a teaspoon of pepper. We're gonna bring this to a boil. All right, so I seasoned this with salt and pepper. Okay, mixing this up here. Add a little bit more breadcrumb. I'm gonna need a little bit more breadcrumb here. And you just gotta figure it out. You know, as you go, you add a little bit more breadcrumb. I got chicken hands. I just broke my spaghetti. Come on, get out of here. Will you put it up there? Stupid. You're so dumb, and you laugh at yourself like you humor yourself. So we're just gonna go ahead and roll these up. Did you hear? When you're thirsty, drink water, not alcohol. I got the meatballs up, and now what you want to do is you want to make sure that you're gonna cook these on medium heat, not too high. So yeah, so constantly moving these meatballs around here. So oh God, you scared me. You sneeze like it's unbelievable. Okay, let's taste this for some salt. It's good.
Good if I get
taste it? It's hot though, so you gotta drink.
No, I'm scared.
Don't be scared.
I'm gonna burn my mouth.
No, just put your finger on there. Did you wash your hands or? So just put your finger. Good, right? Morgie knows her sauce. All right, so now I'm gonna take these. I'm gonna throw these in the sauce.
I picked up
Just until the pasta cooks, and then we're gonna be ready to go.
They both get egg whites.
Move these around, cover these a little bit. Moving and shaking right now.
Do it loud. Cook it with the skinny. Do it. It was
Okay, let me take my meatballs out. Whoa, they smell delicious. Yes. So we're in good shape. Babe, are you ready to eat? I mean, we're gonna be ready for you in a couple of minutes here. So, that's hot.
Sorry, Dad.
No, that's okay.
Did I do it?
No. Spaghetti and meatballs. Chicken meatballs. All right, this is done. All right, and babe, are you ready to rock?
I'm ready to rock.
Okay, can you do me a favor? Can you give me the Parmesan cheese out of the refrigerator, please? John. Okay, follow me. Look at all her dolls on my. It's not easy being me. All right, let me get you some pasta. Now you're gonna have. I'm gonna give you one. I'm gonna give her one fried meatball, and I'm gonna give her one baked meatball. Is that good?
Okay.
Works for you?
Oh,
Okay,
Mommy asked to do the toilet paper challenge.
I do. I'm not happy about it.
Yeah, she's definitely
My
not.
brother nominated me. It's freezing cold out.
Can I try it too? Can I help her? Can I help her try it? Like, can
I
I?
gotta ask the guinea pig. Of course you can. Fine by me.
Mini guinea pig? Or no?
Going for 2 thumbs up.
This smells garlicky.
Oh, jeez.
It's hot.
Oh, man.
Too hot.
Doing it live. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea.
You just spit it out.
Pasta's a little hard, but it's okay. Try some with a fork. I like sharing my meals. Try to meet the ball.
Which one is that?
I think this is the one that was baked.
Yeah. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up.
The baked meatball is good. Hold on.
Careful.
No, this is the one with the sauce is the fried one.
Yeah.
Really hot.
Yeah.
It's hard
So,
for me
the
to.
sauce is hot. Yeah.
Very hot.
We're gonna give it 2 thumbs up.
Okay, happy Friday!
Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it last. Amy in the kitchen. Take care, guys. See you guys tomorrow.
Take care, guys. See you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend. Take care. Bye-bye.